Submagic AI Demo. Welcome everyone. This video is all about learning how to use Submagic. Submagic is a tool that adds captions to your videos, making them more engaging. I'll explain every step to help you make your content better with Submagic. Let's begin. To get started, head over to submagic.co. If you're new to Submagic, click on Sign Up to create your account. If you want to sign up, check the link in the description down below. If you're already a user, simply click Login to access your account. Now, let's begin by creating a new project. Click on Create, and then you can easily drag and drop the video you want to work with right here. For the purposes of this tutorial, I've chosen a sample reel from Alex Hormozi.
If you want to be the best in the world at something, you do the work to become the best in the world, and the work works on you.
Let's take a look at how it transforms using Submagic. Before we proceed, select your preferred language from the list of options. Submagic supports a wide array of languages. For this demonstration, we'll choose English. Once you've made your selection, click Upload. In just one click, Submagic works its magic on your video. It automatically adds captions to enhance your reels.
If you want to be the best in the world at something, you do the work to become the best in the world, and the work works on you.
As you can see, the captions are now seamlessly integrated into the video. But Submagic offers more than just captions. You can fine-tune and customize your content further. Let me show you how to make these customizations. On the left side of your screen, you'll find a menu displaying all the words from your video. You can easily edit the text by clicking on any word. Deleting a word removes it instantly, while adding a word seamlessly integrates it into the video. Submagic even allows you to incorporate emojis. You can select an emoji and customize it to fit your style. Additionally, you can choose the color of the emoji. If you'd like to add audio effects, simply click on the audio icon. Submagic offers a variety of sounds to choose from, including camera clicks, dings, and more. To remove audio, select Remove Audio. Another useful feature is the ability to add or remove lines of text. To add a new line, click on the plus icon, and if you want to delete a line, simply click on the trash can icon. Now, let's explore the design options. Click on Design at the top of your screen. Submagic provides several standard themes, including themes inspired by Alex Hormozi, David, William, Devin, Mr. Beast, and Iman Gadji. If you wish to create a custom theme, click on Custom. From here, you can modify various aspects of your theme, such as font size, style, and more. For better readability, I recommend choosing a bold font. You can adjust the text size, capitalization, shadow, and alignment. Personally, I prefer 2 lines of text for clarity, positioned below the speaker's mouth. You can also select your preferred text colors. Once you're satisfied with your design, click Create Theme. Similar customization options are available below, allowing you to adjust the base color, size, position, and main colors according to your preferences. Submagic introduces an exciting beta feature called B-rolls. With this feature, you can insert mini videos into your clip. Choose whether or not you'd like to include transitions. For example, you can select Slide Right for a clean look. Apply your changes to see the effects. One more valuable feature is the AI-generated description and hashtags. This feature is exclusive to the Pro version of Submagic. It automatically creates descriptions and relevant hashtags, simplifying the process of preparing your content for platforms like Instagram or YouTube. Once you've made all your desired changes and customizations, you can either save your project by clicking Save or export your video for sharing. Now, let's take a look at the final result.
If you want to be the best in the world at something, you do the work to become the best in the world, and the work works on you.
As you can see, the video has been transformed with captions and it's ready to engage your audience. It's a brief reel, but it effectively demonstrates how quickly and easily you can enhance your content with Submagic. If you're interested in trying out Submagic, be sure to use the coupon code PARTNER10 during checkout to enjoy a 10% lifetime discount. Check the linked video for a detailed guide on how to apply the coupon code. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I want to thank you for watching.